Snow and ice professionals face an array of on-the-job challenges. Unpredictable weather, labor demands, increasing operational costs, to name just a few. At Boss, we're focused on every aspect of the contractor's business: roads, driveways, sidewalks, and parking lots, and the solutions they need to be quicker, more efficient, and more profitable. Introducing the newest member of the Boss family, the Forge 2.0 Long Bed. Forge has become a strong performer in Boss's growing line of ice control solutions. In 2019, the new Forge 2.0 Long Bed will feature a longer hopper design to optimize its fit on long bed trucks and making filling the spreader easier and quicker with far less spilling. Next up, Boss continues to expand products offering D-Force. And in 2019, D-Force will be available on Boss DXT Snowplows, bringing additional hydraulic downforce and enhanced backdragging performance to the already fully featured DXT lineup. D-Force improves scraping when backdragging, leaving cleaner pavement in less time than conventional plows. The SKR6 expands Boss's line of compact box plows for tractors, skid steers, and other power equipment. The new SKR6 features articulating 3/4-inch AR400 shoes, a reversible 1.5-inch thin rubber cutting edge, and a low-profile moldboard. And beyond new products, Boss will continue to double down on product solutions like the new Drag Pro rear-mounted snowplows, Exact Path drop spreaders, and the Quick Cube ice control system, all of which are helping contractors increase business efficiencies and restore order. So no matter what snow and ice contractors face in 2019 and for years to come, we feel confident that Boss has and will continue to deliver tough, innovative, widely distributed, and supported solutions that are built to back them up. Visit your Boss dealer to learn more.